Hello guys, have a good day. And today we have this another activity, and watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you on how to set up, connect the RJ45 to our Cat5 line. So we have assignment today. Actually, we're going to fix the one of the lines, and we will take this wire because the second floor of building is very hard to go outside and then grab the wire. So what I'm going to do now is just to use this wire, and we'll poke it and bring it inside. So that's our goal today, to activate the internet here at this building, second floor, building D. So again, this is Kuya Novo. Continue to support my channel. Thank you very much for always there. And this is now the wire. We're going to put it outside and then grab the Cat5 wire. Actually, that wire, we don't know how, maybe 3 months or 2 months ago, the rat cut it. I don't know what's the reason why the cat just cut or eat. I don't know. We don't know. That's the thing that we don't know. And when we work, sometime it needs patient or patient spirit. Be patient. We always need patient spirit. And one at a time, just little by little. And again, our goal today is to connect or to put RG5 to this Cat5 in order to have signal to this second floor. So we got it, and I will show you today on how to arrange also the wiring or arrangement when you set up the Cat5. There are 8 wires inside, so you have to arrange it. So here we go. For now, oh yeah, on the so sorry guys. Yeah, so we have this crimper, and of course plier, very important. And we'll open this one. Actually, my crimper doesn't have cutter. Oh no, I have cutter, but no cutter, no circle, or it's only for the wire to slice or to clean it. So we'll arrange today, and don't forget to arrange it properly. So when you hook it up, of course, the internet connection will automatically work. So here's now the arrangement of our coding. Yep, the arrangement is, of course, from left to right. Left to right. Then from left to right, first wire is orange white. That's the arrangement. Orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, and then the last one is brown. So fix it, arrange it properly, so that it's easy for you to put inside the RG45. But before that, we have to cut it, make it straight, and nothing or nothing that will stop your wire. So again, the arrangement is orange white, orange green white, blue white, green, brown white, then brown. Now we are before using crimper or crimp, before crimping it, you have to check if the arrangement is really correct. So we will use this crimper, press it, and that's it. Push it a little bit, then this one now is ready, um, ready to connect, of course, to our modem. That's our modem. Then we'll hook it up here, and that's our connection going down, going to our first floor, and then the other one is second floor. So yeah, we had problem with rat cutting our lines or wires. So thank you very much. We're done fixing it. Now I am pretty sure that the teachers here at this building will be happy. Of course, they have now the connection internet to find or to research, and of course different resources for their teaching. So we'll check first this router here, second floor. Yep, it's green color. That means now working. It's now working. Now we'll proceed to first floor. We'll check if the router now there, down there, if it's now working. If working or not working, then find another way. Again, what I'm saying is be patient when you work something, especially to our youth. If you have planned to learn something, be patient. Patience spirit. Now we'll check this router here. Yeah, I'm using 360. If it's dark, oh, I forgot to set up the light controller of my 360 camera. Yeah, it's green now. It's green. Yes. Let's check the signal. All right, 100%. Now we'll share to our teacher. And enjoy, teacher, as you are using the internet for your lesson. And of course, to all teachers of Chuuk High, thank you again. We must be thankful to our admin. They are really taking care of us because they look forward, of course, learning lessons, resources to be used, especially in teaching our students. That's what they are concerning now, for us to have materials and many things that we can use to our teaching. Now I'm going back to my classroom. My ex-girlfriend now is waiting for me. Pretty sure she is now hungry. Not angry, but hungry. So thank you very much, guys. Please do support to my channel. Yes, sometime I'm doing tutorial, of course, memory, and to be shared again to our next generation, that we are really working hard, trying to search learning as well, for us to be useful, of course, to our community, can help our family. Now let's check and ask this Ati Yen here. Alright, I am asking her to shout out, of course, to my viewers and followers, but she's now hungry. Bye, thank you guys, and see you